Hi students, in the previous recorded session we discussed about the mysterious zeta bit. Zeta bit is alphabets of Zixland, isn't it? We learned about Zachary Zwicker. Who was Zachary Zwicker? He is a boy. Zachary Zwicker. What was he doing? He was leaning against a tree and was imagining. What kind of work did he like to do? Yesterday we discussed. He liked to do mysterious things or extraordinary things. He doesn't like a normal work like finding words in dictionary, but he liked to find dictionaries that specially started with Z and very different words or extraordinary words. What was a strange man called? Remember? Yes. He was called as Zismund. Where does he belong to? He belongs to Zixland. Isn't it, children? So, till this one we have studied yesterday. Today we shall learn more about, and how were the roads in the Zixland? It was zigzag. It was zigzag. Isn't it? So, and what are the alphabets in Zixland is called as zeta bit. Okay? Now, you have learnt your ZYX, yet right now you say the zeta bit backwards. But soon you will recite it properly and as fast as I do. He's asking Zach or Zachary Zwicker. Who's asking? Zismund is asking Zach to recite alphabets from backwards. Backwards is, see, Z, Y, X, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B. So this is how the alphabets were read in Zixland. This is how the alphabets recited in Zixland. But here we read is from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is how actual alphabets is read. But in Zixland, you are supposed to read alphabets from here. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B. This is how alphabets were read from backwards in Zixland. Here, Zismund is telling to Zach to recite words from backwards. Zismund jumped off his steed and said, see, look at here. This man is sitting on a horse. It's looking like a horse, right? But it's actually looking like a zebra. But he calls this creature as horse. This steed, the word steed means spirited horse. That is usually used in wars. Wars में जो घोड़े इस्तेमाल करते थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा ताकतवर. They were very strong, powerful. So like that, he jumped off his steed and said, you will notice I am riding our national animal, the zebra. Here, Zismund is telling to Zach that our national animal is zebra. See, our national, what is the national animal of Zixland is called? It is zebra. Zach knew enough about animals to know the zebras can never be tamed. See, zebras are wild animals. What are zebras? Zebras are wild animals. They cannot be tamed. Zach had a very good knowledge about animals also. And he knew that zebras cannot be domesticated. वो पालतू नहीं होते. They cannot be trained. They are wild animals. Can you train wild animals? No, they are usually kept in the. They usually stays in the forest or jungle or botanic or zoos. वहाँ पर रहते हैं. But cannot be domesticated. Zisman zebra looked like a horse with a black strips painted on it. The horse or the zebra on which Zisman was sitting looked like a horse, just black strips were painted. वो घोड़े को पेंट कर वो zebra बना रहे थे बिल्कुल. Are you sure it's a zebra, sir? Asked Zack. I think you got cheated. Zack tells to Zisman that, sir, are you sure that this is a zebra? As per my knowledge, this is not a zebra. This is a horse just painted in black strips. I think आपको कोई चीटिंग किया है, इसको zebra बोल के बेच दिया है. Silence. When I say it's zebra, it's zebra. So Zisman says, shh, you're not supposed to say that one. That is, a zebra means you should believe that's a zebra. यहाँ पर वो बोलता है कि अगर मैं उसको zebra बोल रहा हूं तो आप भी उसको क्या मानना? Zebra ही मानना. Yes sir, said Zack, but still it looked like a horse with a bad paint job. So again Zack says, sir, ठीक है सर, बट फिर भी मेरे हिसाब से ये मुझे घोड़ा लग रहा है, जस्ट उस पर पेंट कर दिए हैं स्ट्राइप्स. Be careful, young Zwicker, said Zisman sternly. So he says, Husharo, you Zack, you will be asked some questions, and if you answer them correctly, you may become a #1 Zixlander. If you answer them incorrectly, we'll turn into a terrible creature like those creatures that were carrying your cage. He's telling, Zwicker, whatever I say, you have to obey that one. Who's telling? Zisman is telling. To whom is he telling? He's telling to Zachary Zwicker. He tells, we'll ask you few questions. Zisman asks few questions to Zack. He has to answer that correctly. If he doesn't answer, then he'll be turned into बहुत खतरनाक क्रीचर बना डालती है, बहुत खतरनाक जानवर बना डालती है उसको. किसको? Zack को. अगर उसने फेल हो गया आंसर्स देने में तो. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Yes. And if he answers them correctly, अगर उसने सही उत्तर दे दिया तो then he will be considered as one of the #1 Zixlander, the one who stays in Zixland. I'm staying in India, I'll be known as Indian, isn't it? If I am staying in Karnataka, I'll be Kannadika. If I'm staying in Bangalore, I'll be Bangalorean, isn't it? Like that. The one who stays in Zixland, he'll be known as Zixlander. He'll be known as Zixlander. Then when Zisman tells Zachary that he has to answer the questions, he becomes so afraid. अगर मैं कहूँ कि students, I'll be asking questions, how will you feel it? You will all be afraid, right? Oh God, मैम कौन सा question पूछती हैं, क्या पूछती हैं, ये सारा डर होता है. In the same way, even Zack feels so afraid. Zack trembled, and 4 creatures threw back their hoods and stared at him with horrible eye that opened like zeros. So the creatures who carried Zack were very terrible. वो देखने में इतने खतरनाक थे. They were very उनका शेप ही बहुत खराब था, जिससे कोई भी उनको देखकर डर सकता था. When Zisman says कि मैं आपको कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा Zack से, then Zack इतना टेरिबल हो गया कि वो हदरने लग गया था. He was shaking literally. Tremble बोलती, shake होना. अब डर मारे इसे हदरती, कांपती, तो उसे क्या बोलती? ट्रेम्बल बोलती. What do we say? We call it tremble. TREMBLE. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Tremble. Zack trembled as the 4 creatures, वो अपने जो creatures थे जिसने Zack को carry किया था, वो ऐसे दिखते हैं. See, my eyes are looking like zeros now. In the same way, उन्होंने उस पे नजर रख रहे थे. Now listen closely to our rules. Who says this one? Zisman बोलती. Listen to the rules. Yes sir. Yes sir कौन बोलते हैं? Zack. You can use ordinary words that begins with unimportant letters of the zeta bit. मतलब आप जो कोई important words नहीं आप उसे बोल सकते हैं, बट ये जो लेटर ये है आप उसे प्रोनाउंस, उसे वर्ड स्टार्ट नहीं होना. कौन सा लेटर? लेटर ये और अल्फाबेट ये. बट इंपॉर्टेंट नेम्स मस्ट बिगिन विथ इंपॉर्टेंट लेटर्स. अगर कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नेम है तो बस इंपॉर्टेंट लेटर से ही स्टार्ट होना. अबव ऑल नो ए ये नेम्स, जो भी नेम ये से स्टार्ट होता है, जैसे अमेरिका, एप्पल और एरीज, ये वर्ड्स बिल्कुल यू विल नॉट प्रोनाउंस दैट वन। ए नेम्स वहां पर बिल्कुल भी टॉलरेट नहीं कर रहे थे। टॉलरेट मतलब सहना, बिल्कुल सह नहीं पाते थे। दे आर फॉरबिडन। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, ही आस्क्स। what's the rule? Important letters or important names must start with important letters. जैसे Z हो गया, स्पेसिफिकली Z से स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है। जो अनइम्पॉर्टेंट लेटर्स हैं, नेम्स हैं, वो अनइम्पॉर्टेंट लेटर्स से स्टार्ट हो सकते हैं। बट what is forbidden in Zixland? The names with ये, वहां पर क्या बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं है। अगर किसी का नाम ये से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो आप उसको प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना, आप उसको नहीं बोलना। यस सर, he obeys that one and he follows the rule. We shall see in the next class what happens, whether he is able to answer all the questions or not. ठीक है, stay home, read the prose. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact. Bye bye.